this is information, please. This is first-hand information. Kuja kaa hapa. Wacha wasiwasi mzee. Wacha wasiwasi mzee. Kuja kaa hapa. Kuja kaa hapa. Tueleze what happened tafadhali. Sawa. Okay. Have a seat.
Daddy, what happened? You're safe.
Or email. Yeah, with an email I can say.
Calm down. Pole, mommy. Calm down.
Thank you. One more. Coming, hold your fire.
Chill. You're safe.
Officer,